This video highlights some of the new and updated features of Brightspace Learning Environment 20.20.6. The classic tab view in Assignments has been transformed into a new fully immersive page layout. To enable, you must set the D2L, Tools, Dropbox, Create Experience Opt-in configuration variable to On Opt-in. The primary panel contains frequently used fields that are always displayed. Instructors can add a due date, instructions, and any attachments. The additional panel organizes more advanced options such as start and end dates, rubrics, annotation tools, and Turnitin. A new Result ID column has been added to allow for more detailed release condition reporting. Result ID has been added to the following Brightspace datasets: discussion forums, discussion topics, checklist objects, and assignment summary. You must have the Can Access Brightspace datasets permission at the org level and the D2L Tools Brightspace datasets version configuration variable set to version 4 or 5. Immediately following each continuous delivery update, non-production sites will generate Brightspace datasets full and diff files. You must have the Can Access Brightspace datasets permission at the org level and the D2L Tools Brightspace datasets version configuration variable set to version 4 or 5. Quiz questions and survey questions Brightspace datasets have been removed. A new partner, Brightspace dataset Virtual Classroom Usage, has been added. This BDS reports on how Virtual Classroom by Bongo is being used and is available to all clients with the premium version of Bongo. You must have the Can Access Brightspace datasets permission at the org level and the D2L Tools Brightspace datasets version configuration variable set to version 4 or 5. Now, when you copy outcomes, you can unlink the copied objects in the target course to be editable. Note, this feature does not apply to Achievement Standards Network, ASN, or Program Imported Outcomes. The Learning Outcomes hierarchy tree is now displayed, and users can now search the outcomes list to find the best outcome to align with quiz activities in their courses and programs. Here, your instructors can collapse or expand sections by clicking on the section titles, search for a specific outcome, and browse outcomes. A checkbox has been introduced, so instructors using hidden rubrics can opt to transfer their feedback from the hidden rubric to general feedback in grades. Instructors can now transfer their feedback from a hidden rubric to general feedback in grades by clicking Include Rubric Feedback in Overall Feedback. Now, when users navigate to a module or topic using a widget, they are returned to the home page when they complete the module or topic. The ability to filter permissions by org unit has been added to the Edit Permissions page in Roles and Permissions. This feature partially implements PI item D3686. To filter permissions by org unit, click Choose Org Unit Types. When you are satisfied with your changes, click Apply Filter. Several accessibility improvements have been made to the rubric creation workflow. You must have the D2L, Tools, Rubrics, Create Experience Opt-in configuration variable set to On or On Opt-in. For more information, review the release notes. Self-serve analytics allows for personalized and customized reporting to be completed in an easy way without additional systems, technical skills, or alternate logins. You must have the Can Access Brightspace datasets permission at the org level and the Can Manage Self-serve Analytics permission to request activation of the product and manage authors. For more information, review the release notes. Thanks for watching. We're always looking to hear from you about the types of videos you'd like to see. leave us a comment below, and as always, don't forget to subscribe.